Hello guys, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Finally, here comes the most awaited video on the rise of Matic Polygon crypto. Formerly known as Matic, currently it is known as Polygon. After the rebranding was done, the name from Matic was changed to Polygon. The price surge was just insane. Like on 15th of March 2021, it was 22 rupees. And on 15th of May 2021, it almost crossed 200 rupees, resulting in a gain of more than thousands of percentage. And when you see such a insane growth, we all get curious. Why is that such a big rise? You can say, हाँ चल क्रिप्टो में तो ऐसा सब होता रहता है, but no. When you see that 1000% increase in the price, you need to understand there have to be some fundamental reasons. So let's just discuss those one by one big fundamental reasons. So the first thing which is very important, which we all need to know is Matic Polygon crypto works on the concept called proof of stake, and it does not work on the concept called proof of work जिस पे बिटकॉइन चलता है. बिटकॉइन का जो माइनिंग का जो प्रोसेस है वो प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क कॉन्सेप्ट पे चलता है, विच रिक्वायर्स एक्सेस एनर्जी कंजम्पशन as well as huge machines. Like you can't mine Bitcoin on laptops. You need huge machines. So proof of stake concept is much better than proof of work because it uses less energy, as well as it is comparatively require less larger machines. So that was one advantage with which Matic came into the market. The problem which Matic wanted to solve was जो gas cost लगता है, to reduce that cost and to ensure that the speed is much higher. That was the problem which Matic wanted to solve. So it was huge. So we need to understand why there was sudden rise in the price. Like Matic आ तो गया था 2019 में, but suddenly within 6 months, why there was that insane surge in the price? So Ethereum, as we all know, is the second largest crypto after you find with Bitcoin. सो इथीरियम में जो ट्रैक्शन प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत आ रहे थे, बिकॉज इथीरियम में बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रांजेक्शन होते हैं, बट जो लेयर वन इथीरियम का जो लेयर वन टेक्नोलॉजी है, दैट वाज जस्ट नॉट एबल टू प्रोसेस और डू इट विथ इनफ स्पीड. इट वाज चार्जिंग टू मच कॉस्ट, गैस कॉस्ट भी बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा था, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज गेटिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इट वाज गेटिंग ट्रैक्शन फॉर द यूजर्स टू माइन एंड डू द थिंग्स. And then came the Matic Polygon, the layer 2 crypto, and that layer 2 gave that impetus to Ethereum crypto to allow that freedom. जैसे ही Ethereum started using the layer 2 platform of Matic, जो गैस कॉस्ट था वो कम होने लग गया, जो स्पीड थी वो बढ़ने लग गई. दैट allowed Ethereum to work with more freedom, with more speed, and was able to execute more transactions, and was able to execute more contracts. And that was the reason there was that simultaneous increase in the price of Ethereum as well as Matic, because this was huge. Many smart contracts, many DeFi things, NFT things, all were benefiting because of this Matic layer 2 thing. And that was the biggest game changer. And if you look at the team, they are consistently working on the fundamental aspects. And what they did, the amazing thing was, they also ensured that they are giving a relief or kind of support to the Indian community via crypto thing for COVID relief. And that shows the humanity. And when you do such things in such turbulent times, it gives investor the confidence that yes, they are here to stay. So that was one big thing. Because of them, there was a lot of money injected into India through crypto community, some billions of dollars. So that was one big thing. Ethereum layer 2 was one big thing, because it allowed Ethereum to just bloom, to prosper. And the integrations which Matic are doing, there are very big integrations, very big partnerships, and that is helping Matic to just evolve. And that is the thing. What Matic solved, the biggest problem which Matic solved was, it allowed the scalability perspective to just ensure that Ethereum is growing, to ensure that other cryptos are also performing well. And that was the biggest factor. As we discussed in the last video or the post, The one factor we need to consider before investing in a crypto is scalability of the crypto, and that is what Mythic did. The scalability thing. It allowed other crypto to solve the problems. It allowed other cryptos to just be scalable enough to be adaptive, and that is the reason Mythic is here to stay. And the price of one Mythic is somewhere around 135 rupees today. It is still at a very discounted price. It is ready to go beyond $4, beyond 4 digits, 5 digits. And being a fundamental investor, it is not my duty to predict the price, but if you look at the fundamental aspects, it is here to grow. And if you know one more thing, Maharashtra government have not formally accepted that they are using Polygon blockchain for COVID reports. But if you go on the website, if you check and if you try to do the audit, if you try to go dip inside, when you see the report on the website, you will understand that they are somewhere using that Polygon blockchain, or either they are testing it. So that is a very big thing. And if in future you would in India you would want to adopt blockchain, you will definitely approach Mythic Polygon. So yeah, this is going to be huge. And few days back, Mark Cuban, the American, one of the biggest investor in crypto, have invested in Mythic Polygon, and that is a very big thing. And he's just going to ensure that there are many contracts which are getting for Mythic Polygon. So stay tuned for the revolutionary rise in the price of crypto, and this is just the start. It is just the tip of iceberg. So pack Mythic Polygon in your portfolio. It is important. I hope you like this video. If this video added some knowledge to your system, do like, do share, and do follow our page. Thank you.